Welcome to the best resource online for learning advanced Moodle administration concepts. In this course, I will take your Moodle administration skills to a whole new level. You will learn expert level software engineering concepts, setting up multiple Moodle environments, testing strategies for your Moodle installation, how to leverage from thousands of plugins, how to backup and completely restore Moodle, highly detailed lessons on how to upgrade Moodle, a complete discussion of advanced enrollment techniques, PayPal integration, reporting, and a whole lot more. Hi, I am Shrikant and I have been closely involved with technology in education, having managed and used Moodle and other top-class learning management systems. This is an expert-level Moodle administrator's course. Moodle basics are a prerequisite. If you are looking for Moodle beginners course, I have bestsellers on Udemy both for educators and administrators. In this course, everything is hands-on, practical, and highly condensed, loaded with tips, tricks, pitfalls, and best practices. Only open source tools, sites, and plugins are used. Everything you need is self-contained within this course. I will even show how you can install your own testing setup of Moodle on a Windows machine, the full stack. Enroll into this course now to take your Moodle administration skills to an expert level. I will concisely show you strategies that will otherwise take months and perhaps years to put together. You have come to the right place. Enroll into this course now.